The US House of Representatives has voted to formally send the articles of impeachment against President Donald Trump to the Senate. The motion passed 228 votes to 193 after a 4-month-long process. The most senior-ranking members from both major parties delivered their arguments as debate got underway. Republican Kevin McCarthy told the floor the proceedings are nothing but a play for power that has undermined the entire impeachment process.
The Constitution clearly states, each House may determine the roles of its proceedings. It doesn't say the House may determine the roles of proceedings in the Senate. If anything, the Speaker's actions have only further persuaded members of the Senate that the evidence of impeachment was neither thorough nor satisfactory. But you know what? Let's be honest. This was never about persuasion. It was never about the rule of law. It was what Alexander Hamilton warned us, that one party would get control. And just because of the animosity would demean the process of impeachment.
In her opening remarks, Nancy Pelosi warned the president's actions have put the American Republic at risk.
And when we become members of Congress or other public office, we take an oath to protect and defend that Constitution of the United States. And the President of the United States takes an oath to preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the United States, an oath that he has blatantly violated. And for this reason, he was impeached by the House of Representatives. And for this reason, we thought it would be helpful to have not only the strong case for impeachment and removal that was put forth in this House, but to know that more was to come.
Earlier, the House Speaker appointed a team of 7 Democrats to serve as prosecutors in the trial after unveiling new evidence last night. They include the House Intelligence Committee Chairman Adam Schiff and House Judiciary Committee Chairman Jerry Nadler as impeachment managers. The trial could lead to the President being removed from office, but that outcome is highly unlikely.
Today has been a largely ceremonial day, albeit a symbolic and rare one. And as you say, the Republicans control the Senate, and for that very reason, and certainly based on their indications so far, it seems highly likely that they will vote to acquit Donald Trump rather than remove him. He would be the first president in US history to be removed, but we have seen from the Republican leadership that they have no intention on doing that. But Democrats certainly sounded confident and bolstered today. Nancy Pelosi saying that that extra time has helped them, that it's helped present more incriminating, as they describe, evidence, including some text messages that they released overnight that allege that in some way that Marie Yovanovitch, the former US ambassador to Ukraine, was subject to surveillance. But I think we have to look at this from the sort of broader perspective. Republicans now have the ball in their court. They are able to steer a large part of where we go from here. And we have already heard from the White House in a background briefing today, their hopes is that this will be done and dusted in 2 weeks. They want actually to have a vote to reject the articles of impeachment. They say the Democrats' desire to call more witnesses is just because they have not convinced people of their case. They think this is a sham, a hoax, and Republicans do not seem inclined to see this as a stretched out affair.